We're now at the typical QCCI check-in or Quick City check-in. Okay, let me just shut down the software so that we can see it from behind. Okay, this is just an encoder software. I'll just switch this off. Okay, this machine, alright, is a Quick City check-in machine. Computer, alright, SGP, GDR, discontinued string, EMB embarkation 057. Right, so this is a machine that we use to, you log into the computer, then you launch the city check-in software. Alright. Okay, and then from the city check-in software, you will download all the information from the cloud. This is connected to the AWS server. So depending on the configuration, you will download different ship. So this software was actually input with a config file for WordDream. So they'll know how specifically where to download. You can see you can take Dream, WordDream, Explorer Dream, Aquarius, Pisces, and Gemini. You will use the same software for Penang, but chances are you'll be using Pisces. Right? So this one is SG user 57 and password last L at STMIN02. So every few months system will require you to change the password. So you just say we're going to use the global keyboard. Take note, this is touch screen, so I can touch the screen. So the whole thing come out. If you take a look, so document, we are using the document, the same passport scanner. Here in Singapore cruise, we are using passport. And barcode, we are not using any barcode reader. Camera, we're not using any camera for here. And then you just maybe just select the printer. Okay, there's only one ZX printer, the XP Series 3 printer lah. Okay, then that's about it. So if you come to the main screen, the home screen, and you just type search and you type TAN. For example, you can see that there'll be a lot of TAN in the databases waiting to be checked in. Right, these are all the TANs for today's cruise. Alright. Okay, then if you, after you check all this and you print the card, you definitely will do a test. So you will take the card. This is a card, it's a contactless card, and it will be printed out. Then you will actually scan the card. But you see here is no encode because this is a blank card. Right, no data encoded yet. Okay, so this is a QCCI, consists of the computer, passport scanner, the Zebra ZX printer, and just an encoder reader to test the card after you have printed it. The encoding actually will happen in the Zebra here. Okay, so this is where you feed the card. You feed the card in a direction. I assume for Pisces you'll be roughly the same. It might be a slightly older model of printer. Right, then you press this. You come out, this is the card feeder. This is the ribbon. You can take out the ribbon here. Right, the encoder actually, this is the printer, and encoder will be here. This will be the encoder. Right, so this one can be taken out. If any card jam, you can take the card from here. Right, remember for our Singapore card series, in this version of the card, we're using 35. Set this to 35. Right, the arrow to 35. Okay, so the card orientation is like that for Singapore printer. So this is the latcher. Just latcher the latcher. This one will go in. You will just hit the card when you close to actually force the card to go, one card going in. You take a look. One card will be going in to fit into the printer. Okay, so you put back the ribbon and then you can close this. Right? By the way, this thing can just take out. Right? The card will stay here to be encoded, then it will be printed. So normally the data will be downloaded, then it would be encoded, then it will be printed. They're checking ribbons, and then you'll feed one card in, ready to be encode and print. Okay, so this is QCCI software. All right.